Where's the most affordable, great over 55 community in South Jersey? It's right here in East Elmtown. I'm going to show you this great unit. Follow me now. This is 10 Poplar Ave, and this is East Elmtown, Winslow Township. It's got the zip code 08037, but that's just the postal code. This is definitely Winslow Township, and it's age restricted, over 55. Let's check it out. 1,168 square feet. Excellent tile floor when you walk in, and then you have this really nice expansive flooring, and it gives uniformity to the entire open area, all the public areas. It's got the crown moldings up at the top, and you have chair rail, good molding package. Very big dining area. These windows, they're not new, but they were replaced some time ago, but they're not the originals, that's for sure. Got a nice kitchen area, L-shaped cabinets, plenty of cabinetry, and you have this really large sink, stainless steel appliances, real cool. Got your washer and dryer over there, and you got a pantry behind door number 1. You can see how the house flows as we walk down the corridor, and I'm gonna call it a 2-bedroom. You call it what you want, but there's all kinds of extra space in this house, and you use those rooms as you want. In here, I have a pass-through. You could use it as an office, you could use it as living area, whatever you wanted. And you have this really cool sunroom, and you have the morning sun that comes up in the east, which is that way. And this backs up to no other property, it's just the farm field. And there's deer that run around there in the off season. It's really a beautiful vantage point. You have the garage, 1 car, it's got a newer garage door. And then a nice patio area. The concrete's in great shape, and you have a lot of expanse to the back of the home. Come back through here, use this as you please, this room. And we got a full bath that services this part of the house. Master bedroom, big, got plenty of closets, and it's got its own full bathroom. It's got a stand-up shower, everything you need right there, very convenient. This will be bedroom, we'll call it bedroom number 2. So nice size, all good. If you love this property, make sure that you click the link in the description below, and that'll take you to the website, and you can see all the details, the photo gallery, and you can make an appointment there online, and we'll have an agent come out and show you. If it's not the right property for you, then hit that subscribe button so that you can see all the new listings as they come out. And we're listing a bunch of them right now, so it's very important that you're the first to see it. You have an opportunity to make an appointment, make the offer, gives you the advantage. I got 1,168 square feet, 2 beds, 2 full baths. It's arguable if you have more square footage that you could possibly use as you want to use it. So you also have the gorgeous sunroom with the morning sunrise, big 1-car garage. Most of the units don't have that. And this is not a twin unit. This is a single family, very rare here in Elmtown East. I encourage you to check it out online and then make your appointment. And again, thank you for watching.